5,000 hours of flying, ladies and gentlemen. Got it at 65.
Bring that right into my hammerhead right here, because I'm at the end of the box. You just load the weight with the box much to the top. So we're gonna take the kick over here. Full correction, but stay right here in the box. And then come down here and do a few things.
Greg, at your aerobatic school, do you have the introductory course or anything like that?
It's basic course of loose roll and the spin. Comes the full fundamental of aerobatics. Here are commands for big flat. Now what I do, watch what I do when I come up on this other side. The next moment leaves the cloud. So this take a little bit slightly roll. Give me a wind correction lane on the way back down the other side. And try to keep the low away from the airport. And coming out there, and we're going to do...
Yeah, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain. I had heard of it.